Let the CP for Bina be rupees 100x. She makes a loss of 19%, so selling price is 81x. This has been given as 4860 in the question. So basically x is nothing but 60. So the cost price for Bina is rupees 6000. If Bina would have sold this product to Shyam at the purchase price of Hari, she would have obtained 17% profit. So cost price for Hari is 17% higher than 6000. 17% of 6000 is 1020. So cost price for Hari will be 6000 plus 1020, 7020. Then the profit in rupees made by Shyam is selling price 7020 minus the cost price 4860. This is 2160 rupees, the answer to your question.